Hello, my name is Faruque Hossain. I am an assistant professor of construction management in the College of Architecture and Construction Management. During a high school science class in my home country, Bangladesh, my teacher told us that Earth will not survive for very long. I was surprised and asked my teacher why this was the case. She explained that we are consuming all natural resources at such a rapid rate that very soon we will have exhausted of all gifted natural resources of the Mother Earth. If the natural resources are no longer available on Earth, how can all forms of life survive on Earth? I had no answer at the time, but this was a pivotal moment that I made a big impact on the type of career path I would be seriously considering for my future. I made it myself a mission to become a responsible steward for the planet's resource and help others in doing the same. Then I admitted to pursue my undergraduate degree in environmental science so I could learn much more about Earth's natural resources and thought about conducting research in the future to protect those natural resources. I subsequently received a master's degree in environmental science and also another master's degree from Shimane University in Japan, which I was invited by the Japanese Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology to complete research in environmental science as a Fulbright scholar. Finally, at the Hokkaido University in Japan, I have conducted much more advanced level research in environmental science to finish my PhD. Later, my environmental science research was boosted by the Australian Research Council postgraduate scholarship, which allowed me to investigate clean energy technology application for securing global sustainability. Research is urgently needed now to define the context of the human impact on Earth resources that is severely affecting the biodiversity in order to address the planet's healing process. We must think through the scientific theories and practical applications using a holistic approach of the problems and the solution to mitigate these effects. By using evidence-based research to develop and improve sustainability practices focused on the environment, energy, water, housing, building, infrastructure, and transportation, we certainly can secure a better planet for our future generation to enjoy. For example, fossil fuel consumption used in traditional design and construction practices in the building and infrastructure sector not only causing the finite levels of natural resources, but also causing a severe climate change crisis by releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Interestingly, my research has revealed that if a mere of 0.01% of Earth's annual available renewable energy, such as solar power, is used for sustainable design and construction, this will satisfy the net energy demand for the entire world, which is environmentally friendly. Simply put, application of natural resources wisely by conducting sustainable design and construction practice shall indeed secure a zero-emission housing, buildings, and transportation system throughout the world. During my tenure at engineering and construction companies for the last 15 years, I realized that we are accelerating the tremendous crisis affecting the environment, energy, shelter, and infrastructure by practicing conventional design and construction methodology. We are depleting the natural resource rapidly as well as causing a deadly environmental crisis that will not support living beings in the near future. Therefore, my life's work is focused on implementing sustainable design and construction practice. As a result, I left my executive position at a Fortune-listed 500 companies 2 years ago so I could share my research and professional experience with the student of Kennesaw State University College of Architecture and Construction Management with the ultimate goal of protecting Mother Earth.